I'm a nerd.
Okay, so you're probably asking yourself, how do I get my face like this in a video? It's pretty easy. If you have an iPhone, it's even easier than you think. Download the app Clips. Without the app, this is what you see. So how do I do it, you might ask? Open the Clips app. You'll see that your default camera view comes up first. Go ahead and flip to the front-facing camera. Click the little star. Select an emoji. If you don't have a Memoji, I'll put a link in the description below to show you how to make one. Choose your Memoji, close the frame, and swipe up to start recording. Cam it up for the camera. Press the button to stop. Choose your file. And finally, export your file. And it's just that easy. It also works better when you use a green screen behind you so you can key out the video. You can use whatever editing software you like to use. I prefer to use HitFilm Express. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, click the bell icon so you get a notification when I update new content. And of course, please click like on this video. Thanks for watching.